What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Microsoft Copilot, right? So in order to use this, you want to open up your Edge browser because this is connected to your Bing and your Microsoft Edge, right? So go ahead and click on Windows key and type Edge and you will see Microsoft Edge. Now once you open up that, if you're on a Windows 11 computer guys, you will be able to see the Copilot in the top right hand side just below the close button, right? So here you can see Copilot, and if you click on this you will be able to see the Copilot available. No, and as you can see here, it is Copilot with Bing Chat. So as I said, it is connected to Bing and you'll be able to access this using your Edge browser within your Windows 11 computer. Now guys, if you're not able to see the Copilot here in your Microsoft Edge browser, you want to do a few things, right? Just simply click on these three dots here and you want to go down to where you see it says help and feedback, and then you want to go to about Microsoft Edge. Now once you do that, you will be taken to this page here where you can go ahead and you will be able to check for updates with your Microsoft Edge browser and do a complete full update of your Microsoft Edge browser. So you want to have the latest Microsoft Edge browser here by doing the updates. This will start automatically, and once it is done, it will allow you to relaunch your Microsoft Edge and try again to see if it's there. Now if it's still not there guys, we want to go ahead and try this by simply go ahead, clicking the Windows icon again, and you want to open up your Microsoft Store. Now once you open up your Microsoft Store, go ahead and click Library on the lower left hand side, and then you want to do a check updates guys. You want to do a full check and ensure that all of these apps are fully up to date. Now once you do that, go ahead and try again to open up your Edge browser to see if the Microsoft Copilot is there. And if you're still having issue guys, you want to go ahead, click the Windows icon again and type check. You will see check for updates. You go ahead and open that, and you want to allow your Windows computer to do a check for updates. This should start automatically, but if it doesn't, go ahead and check for updates by clicking this button, and this will start checking for updates on your computer. Now once you do that, go ahead again and try to restart your computer, and this should in fact fix the issue for you. So if you go ahead and open up your Edge browser once again, you should be able to have the Microsoft Copilot available on your latest Microsoft Edge. All you have to do is just simply click on the Copilot on the upper right hand side and you will have the Microsoft Copilot. So you can use it. It's something like ChatGPT. You can go ahead and ask it whatever you want. Go ahead and have fun using the Copilot. Yeah, so here you have it guys. You can basically play around with it. You can type whatever you want. It has over 2,000 characters that you can use. You can also use microphone as well, and here you can also add image guys. So that's pretty easy. You can also sign in here by clicking the sign in button. Here you also have a compose. So if you click on compose, you can basically write something here. You can use a tone. You can go ahead and utilize this compose very easy, and you can add that to site. Here you have a blog post, ideas, emails, paragraph. You can choose a length, so you can do quite a lot guys. Here as well, it also have an insight option as well, so you can go ahead and use the insights as well to get some information here. So that's pretty useful. So you have a chat, compose, insights, and it is pretty handy. You can also realize here that you have three types of conversation style. You have the more creative, you have the balance, you have the precise. That's pretty nice and pretty handy. So guys, go ahead and have fun with this Copilot of Microsoft. Go ahead, have fun with it, use it. It's very helpful. And yeah, we're in the era where AI is booming right now. So go ahead, utilize all of these AI tools and to be more productive. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.